Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back. This video I'm making a frittata, which is basically like an omelet if you like breakfast stuff. Technically it's not an omelet, but you're gonna cook it almost the same way. What you're gonna do is pre-cook your ingredients. I got about 5 strips of some thick cut bacon right here. I'm gonna do about 8 eggs, just depending on the diameter of your pan. Just adjust the amount of eggs you're gonna use. I got baby bella mushrooms. I'm gonna dice these up. I'm gonna pre-cook some potatoes till they're fork tender, then dice them up and throw them in there also. And a big old handful of spinach that's gonna wilt down pretty quick. And then I got this Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna grate this into the eggs. I saw Gordon Ramsay do it on his video, so that's what I'm gonna do. It looked pretty good. And you're not gonna have to add that much salt because there's a lot of salt in the cheese and the bacon. So yeah, if you wanna do something pretty easy breakfast shit, just stick around and check this out. It's gonna be fast and easy, just like everything I do. So here we go. All right, so like I said at the beginning, we're just gonna cook all the ingredients ahead of time, and then I have the spinach wilting right here. I put some more oil in there because the mushrooms absorbed all the bacon fat, and then I put some more salt in there that I didn't show, just for some seasoning. Then we're gonna pour some eggs over the top. Kind of turn the heat down a little bit low so it doesn't cook too high. And then that's gonna be it. We're just gonna make sure the eggs don't stick to the sides and see how it turns out. All right guys, as you can see, that was a partial fail. Burned the bottom of it, but it wasn't too bad. I started smelling a little bit of burnt, so I tried to flip it as soon as possible. And eggs spilled off, as you saw, but it's not the end of the world. It's not a big deal. As you can see, it did get charred on the side right there. Usually every time I've done this in the past, I always bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10-15 minutes. But this time I just wanted to try it different because most people that I've seen, like on videos and stuff like that, they do it on the stovetop, but I guess I need some work on that. It still tastes good. Tastes like breakfast. I swear, you can put bacon in anything and it's gonna taste good no matter what, so. But I do need some work on this. I'm gonna come back to this in the future and do a different style of frittata. Maybe try to bastardize it and just do some crazy ass frittata. You can put whatever you want in there, put all kinds of different meat, whatever breakfast meats, pulled pork, roasted peppers, whatever you like, just throw it in. Throw a bunch of cheese in there, you can do that too. All right guys, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.